Hi everybody. Today we're going to go through how to create a repeating or reoccurring invoice in Xero. So let's say your company provides a product or service to someone on a weekly basis. Instead of having to create a new invoice every week and putting that on your to-do list, you can actually get Xero to do it for you. So if we go into the business tab up the top here and click into Invoices, we then want to click on this drop down arrow next to new invoice, and you'll see it there, new repeating invoice. So that's the one we want. We then select how often this is going to repeat. So like I said, for example, let's say we're sending someone an invoice once a week. The invoice date is the start date that these invoices will be sent out. So let's say the first one to be sent out, I want it on Wednesday, the 25th. And then the due date of when the payment's due. So let's say that's due every 2 weeks from the invoice date. So I'll put in 14 days and an end date if you like. So otherwise this will be reoccurring indefinitely. But if I know I'm only providing this service until the beginning of March, I might put a date in there. Invoice 2, we want to put in our contact. So we'll find them and you can put in a reference if you wish. Now, if you've got a contract with your client stating that, say, you provide them with a product once a week and it's agreed upon, you might actually want to click and drag a copy of that PDF to this repeating invoice. So if their accounts department never has any queries, not only does this invoice come through once a week, but the supporting documents are there too. So we can either start typing for the item that we want if it's been loaded into our Xero products and services, or we can just write our own description. We'd want to put in the quantity that we're sending them every week and the unit price. Now make sure that your account and tax rate are correct so that Xero can code it. Now once you're happy with everything, we want to save that. Now it will ask you how you want to save it. Save as a draft, approve it, or approve for sending. I might want to save this one as a draft because I want to show it to somebody first. So I'll select that and then click save. And then it comes up in the repeating tab under invoices. So there it is. And that's how to create a repeating or reoccurring invoice. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for your time.